Hey guys, this is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners, and shooting this video because I'm here in where am I at? Man, what city is this? Manassas. So we're doing movie theater chairs, as you guys can see. What is unique about this is, well, today's job, I'm doing this whole entire house in cap. So let me give you a little brief history. Long story short, her bill was going to be about $800 to steam clean upstairs, which is one master bedroom and a walk-in closet, which actually was pretty sweet. And then this whole area right here, which counts as like probably like three areas. So essentially four areas and six recliners. So it was gonna be about $800 to steam clean, and she was stunned by the price, of course, and but it's very competitive, especially in this market. There are some cheap companies out there, but I don't compete with those guys. You get what you pay for, straight up. But what's really unique about this opportunity is that, and the reason why I'm telling you and sharing this with you guys, is because I mean she's paying a fraction of the cost now. Now that I've introduced her to dry cleaning. Dry cleaning doesn't take me no time, especially when her carpets qualifies for it. I don't use dry cleaning unless the carpets are semi-clean, unless there's spots here and there. Because we all know dry cleaning works to a certain degree. It's a maintenance type of clean. It's not my preferred method, but if I could save a client on a move out, that's also a key point here. Move out. She's not staying in there. She just wants to appease the landlord or the property managers. So listen, we cut this thing in half. And here's the beauty about this: $400, and I'm probably gonna be here for at least an hour and a half. Listen, it may sound whatever, but everybody wins. Everybody wins. She gets clean upholstery. She gets clean carpets and she's saving a fraction of the cost. She was telling me that some of my competitors were charging around 600, 700, and I was around the 800 mark for the steam cleaning. But not one of the companies gave her an alternative. That's the difference from an expert cleaner, a cleaner that can consult, a cleaner that can help their clients out, and a cleaner, most importantly, that does not want to miss out on an opportunity. That's the key point. Don't miss out on any opportunity when you get a chance. I could have got $800, but you know what? Steam clean, I would have been here for like at least 4 hours. I mean, maybe 3 hours for essentially four areas and what's it called? Eight upholstery chairs. At least a good 3.5 hours for sure. But cut the fraction of the cost. My time here dropped significantly, and she's happy. I'm happy. We're both winning. So let me demonstrate real quick here. As you can see, this is really brown or black actually. The camera does not do it any justice, but I'll show you how this can really work pretty well. Give me a sec. It's gonna be loud, so I'm just gonna pause it and come back. Okay. All right, there you go. As you can see, works very well. You really get the same results as steam cleaning. I mean, this is a faster way, but it's not my preferred method of cleaning. If she was living here, I probably will tell her, hey, listen, let's invest a little bit and get this done, the way it's preferred, which is steam cleaning. But regardless, this stuff is coming out great. She's loving it. I'm loving it. We're all happy. She saves 50%. I save, my time drops significantly, and I still make a good earning for the day here at this job. So you guys keep that in mind. Educate your clients, consult your clients. You're the expert. Call the shots and get their approval. Once you do, and you just start work. That's what I do every single time. All right, guys.